What's up, everybody? Mark here from Harris Outdoors, and I got a video for you today because I got tagged. So hang with me and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so like I said, I got tagged to do a video. This is actually the first video I've ever been tagged to do. And a friend of mine, Tom Ritter, tagged me to do it a couple days ago. He did this video himself and tagged me and 2 other people to do it behind him. The tag is, what are your favorite 3 luxury items to carry in the woods with you? So Tom's a guy who's been in the bushcraft community for quite a while, and he's followed me on my channel for quite a while now, and has just always had some really nice things to say to me on the videos in the comment section. And whether they were good or bad, he's always had something nice to say to me about them. So it was cool that he tagged me to do this video. So y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's dive into this for a second. What are my 3 favorite luxury items to carry into the woods with me? You know, it can be a tricky question. Morris Kohansky said, you know, the more you know, the less you carry. So a lot of things in most people's bags they would consider necessity, not luxury items. But the more you know, the less you carry. So a lot of those things you may consider a necessity are actually just luxury items. So a little bit of a spill on Morris Kohansky for you right there for just a second. Alright guys, so let's dive into it. What are my 3 favorite luxury items to carry in the woods? Well, first up would have to be my carving set. And I like carrying my carving set in the woods because when you're sitting around the fire, or you're waiting for something to get done cooking, or you just got some downtime where you finished up, everything's done at camp, everything's built and set up, and you're just sitting around waiting for the sun to go down, this will fill that void of time. And it helps you hone your skills as a bushcrafter, being able to make things for yourself when you're in the woods, like eating utensils and, you know, different tasks around the camp. It's nice to have these, and they're not necessity. So this is my luxury item number 1. Alright, so number 2 on the luxury item list is going to have to be my kuksa. And a kuksa is something that I like to carry in the woods, but is not necessity. You know, I have a stainless steel water bottle for purification that I can drink out of. I have a plastic Nalgene bottle that is my collection bottle that I can drink out of. I've got a cook pot where I can drink out of that, but it's nice to have a separate vessel to drink your coffee out of, your teas out of, if you make pine needle tea or something like that. It's just nice to have a separate vessel for your warm beverages. So this is number 2 on the list. Okay, so luxury item number 3 is going to have to be my journal. I like to carry a journal into the woods with me because it's nice to sit around if you've got ideas, something you want to build and you want to draw out a build plan for it. It's cool to have this. If you're studying up and doing some wild edible stuff, it's cool to be able to draw some pictures, you know, take notes of some of the things to identify what you're looking at with, to where you can go back and reference it, things like that. When you're sitting around before bed and you know, it's dark and you're not quite ready to go to sleep yet, and you've just got some things on your mind, you know, it's cool to be able to write things down in a journal. I love this thing. You'd be surprised how much this comes in handy when you're out there, and it's not necessity, but I feel like it is for me, so this is my luxury item. Alright guys, so that's it for my 3 favorite luxury items. You know, may not be everybody's cup of tea. Everybody's different. That's just what I like to carry, that I don't have to carry, that I found useful while I'm out in the woods. So, once again, I appreciate it, Tom, for tagging me in this. And also, need to tag 3 other people, I guess, to go forward with this video elsewhere. I think I'm going to tag Eastern U.S. Bushcraft and Survival. You're tagged. I'm going to tag Chad's Adventures. And I'm also going to tag Bushcraft Ridge. Bushcraft Ridge. So, all 3 of you guys, y'all are tagged. So, we'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching Harris Outdoors. I'm out.